Hi and good evening. This is Sonia Mayers and back with Bate and Kahisi today with full of Josh. I am feeling full of energy because today we are going to meet the most energetic person, somebody whom I know from a field that is light, sounds, glimmer, fashion, everything. So we are going to talk one to one about someone whom the entire fashion industry looks up at, someone whom people want to know personally because they've only seen him, working hard. He basically doesn't speak personal stuff because he doesn't have so much of time to talk about himself. But today we are going to be rubaru. My Hindi is not so well, so we are going to. They have said roads, smooth roads. Success comes with those rough sands that they put beneath the smooth roads. He has walked that rough sands. He has got those blisters in his feet. It's not an easy journey to reach a stardom in the fashion world. So let us welcome somebody whom you, me, and everybody is waiting for, the star of our fashion industry. As we say, the fashion world, the fashion career is not easy. It has its own hurdles. But to master, to be a star today in this industry, somebody who is coming without any godfather, is a star for me and for India. So let us warmly welcome with tight hugs Shakir Sheikh, a brand in the fashion world. Shakir Sheikh. Can we warmly welcome Shakir Sheikh? Just connecting to him, please. Hi,
Hi.
Shakir, and it's a pleasure, honor, and a blessing to many models to hear you live today, रूबरू one to one to know शाकिर sir कैसे feel करते हैं. बहुत सारी untold stories about you. So thank you for being
Uh,
on this बातें कुछ कुछ अनकही थी. You're under
Good, good. How are you, Sonia? Otherwise,
Very good, Shakir, with your blessings. I've always told people that you have been my icon. I have learned from you so much. Today on social media, I keep announcing that I have learned so much. Today, whatever it is, I am apart
great,
from, I'm a part of you. I've come out of you and I've
great,
grown. So I feel so happy that you're here today. It's a blessing.
great. Let's start.
So,
So, what?
Shakir, we have four audience questions, okay?
Hmm.
Uh, you would want to go with the audience questions or we'll just take the floor
We'll
because
take
there's
the floor.
nothing
Whatever
prepared.
you. No, that's perfectly fine. I'm completely prepared. What do you want to know? What do you want? What are the doubts you
All
have?
right.
How you feel? What is it and what it should be?
All right, Shakir, let us first go to your life story. Everybody when they grow up, Shakir, they tell their parents, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, मुझे पायलट बनना है, मुझे some profession, engineer बनना है. Today's story, even we expect that from our kids. But what is it, and how did you decide, that you would take something like a fashion choreography? Was it
Well,
inborn or is it a passion?
Basically, what I see is I was always attracted to being on stage. I always, when I was in school, I was dancing, doing dramatics, participating in everything. And when this passion of mine became a career, I didn't even realize it because it is rightly said you have to be at the right place at the right time. So I was fortunate enough that I was in one of the best fashion colleges in Bombay, like fashionable, not fashion, fashion. I was a student at RD National College, Bandra, and when while I was still at college, I started getting shows professionally because my work was picked up from college shows, and then there was no looking back because I started when I was in my third year itself. I was already in the professional market. So when I was still at college, my career started, and I never knew I wanted to be an engineer, but I left that thing and I went back to complete my study in art because I wanted to be on the college stage. So it all matters that what your passion is, and as rightly said, yes, no family accepts easily, especially years back in earlier decades. This choice of career was very difficult for
True.
my family also to accept. But eventually they realized that this is something that I want to do. And I started getting work very quickly in terms of with my work and input. I did not have that wait period because I was working from my college, so I don't think I've done anything else in my life beyond doing choreography. So this just happened naturally to me. I did not take a formal training, and yes, I'm here today.
This is
The
such
long
a
journey.
beautiful, this is a real statement. You have not taken a formal journey, because there is a Janta ka question for you on this. Okay,
Mm.
Shakir, I have seen uh, a person without a godfather becomes very difficult. So today you are a brand for India. Like Shakir himself is a brand in the fashion. It is, it makes us so happy. Did when did you start this journey in college? Did you ever dream that you will be recognized as one of India's brand? Today, where you are, we are so proud of you with that hard work, with that creativity, that
Yeah.
whatever you have done. So, did you, when you started, did you think that no, I'll keep an option, I'll keep my fashion choreography, and I should have taken another option also as a career in my life? Did ever this
It,
conflict come?
yeah, see, basically, I tried doing things like, because eventually when you start your work, initially you get the shows, but then comes a phase where you're not doing anything and you're putting your effort in shows and you don't get that much of work. And I was married at a very young age, so I had a family responsibility, and I was thinking, what should I do? Whether I should do something else. And I was coping up with other as well ideas. So I started working in event company which gave me a job in the fashion department. So I worked initially. I even worked up for someone,
Excellent,
but
excellent.
that was for me to support myself and understand. But I did not do anything like something that I'm not out of my field. So I always wanted to do something around so I can take the advantage of it and grow from it. And trust me, that company that wherever I work put me in the second level of my career, and they gave me this opportunity today where I've reached. So
Excellent.
it takes a lot of time. I think for me, the regular work started happening in almost like after 6 to 7 years of being in the career. So it's not easy. So when you start young,
No,
you have time. You have time to give yourself to prove yourself. And yes,
yes.
that's how. And then there was no looking back. Once I picked up after 5 6 years, then I started getting shows back to back. And then rest is history. Been doing shows, coming up with my own academy. Everything just kept falling in place.
We are coming to it. Shakir, then
Yeah.
this what you just said is one thing was very clear. You did see options, because obviously, as a son of the family, you also had to have a regular income. So you had a regular job also. Again, you kept your passion straight, but you kept focusing on your fashion choreography. So it's a short and sweet message to everybody: focus and don't give up. Because I think today's
No.
youth give up very soon, Shakir. So what you said is fantastic
Yeah,
to the
because
audience.
most of the people, be it my career or any career, you need to give time. You might not be successful initially, but you have to work towards it to make it better. So when you give that many years and time, automatically your results will come. But you have to be honest to your work. You can't be
Honest.
saying कि बस मुझे हाँ you can't be saying कि मुझे आज ये बनना है, मुझे सुपरस्टार बनना है, तो मैं सालों साल टिका रहूंगा, नहीं. That is not the job.
Not the
The
job.
thing is, when we are talking about being here, when you're talking about the career of ours, be it designing, be it a stage, anything to do
Styling,
with
everything.
creative, yeah, it takes time. It takes time, and you eventually grow with the experience. So that is very important.
True. One personal question, Shakir, if you want to attempt, but I just want you to attempt it, because I know it is going to be a very inspiration or a motivation from your side to the audience. Shakir, I understand that your work is very hectic. You have back-to-back work. Has this episode in your life, because everybody who's successful has faced this incident, has your work ever demanded that your presence also had to be there? And sorry, but if your family had an emergency and you also had to be with your family, have you faced this? And because I know success doesn't come easy, and if you are sitting here, you have gone through that. So can you talk to the
Yeah,
audience on this? Do that.
yes, I had this very recently. My show was about to start, and uh, But my final technical rehearsal, I was about to announce that we were on stage and everybody was waiting for instruction. And I got a call and I was attending the call, and it was one of my very close friends' death in the hospital. It was like a shocker to me, and I was supposed to be with him, and everybody just I couldn't take it. I couldn't reaction that what to do and what not to do, and my team understood. My team stood by, and they helped me to start the show. And towards the end of the show, my organizers also got to know. They came and told me, "Ki, its show is almost done. You can leave." And I was in another city, and I had to rush to Bombay to the funeral.
Oh,
So, yeah, so we all face the situation. Emergencies come. I have faced situations where my models have shown professionalism. Where again in this lockdown, I was 1:30. One of my model called up in the night, and she was alone at home, and she lost her grandparent, and she was alone at home, and nobody else with her. And there's a dead body in the house, and she was shattered, and she's like, "Man," I said, "Do you want me to come, or what exactly?" She said, "I've called my brother and auntie; they will be coming." And I had no words, and she was in the morning shooting with us. So by 9 o'clock, we had already left a message to other models that please get in touch with us early morning. We need an urgent requirement. But 6:30 again she could message me that I'm coming and doing the shoot. So I was like,
oh,
how is it possible? She said, my Dadu Nanu always believed in working and proving yourself, and nothing in life should stop you. So that gave me like an inspiration that young kids also today have
beautiful, beautiful.
dedication. Yes, and yeah. So she came and she did the show. So things like this happen. Sometimes we go through some incidents which is beyond help, and
Yes,
people have worked. People have worked. We all have maintained a quorum. Somebody has lost in the family, and everybody did a work, and the person is let to go home.
true.
So I think it comes for any job. Any job you do, it comes with sacrifice. It comes with dedication, and you have to give your 100%. You can't say कि मेरा ये हो गया तो मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
Hmm.
There's no room for it. There's no room for
Exactly.
excuses.
Shakir, one personal question. I know today you have everything. You have the house, you have uh, the monies, you've got luxuries. But Shakir, at the end of the day, there is an emergency to your friend, to your non-known person. But if it comes to your ears, there is a requirement. You rush. Now, I
Yes.
want to know this attitude comes from where? Just because you know what it is. I mean, to let's be real. You know what it is to not to have, because I know you have given, you fed people, you've given ration. I don't. I'm talking on social media because people don't know exactly Shakir Sheikh personal life. You and
No,
hidingly you
I
have done
think
this, but why is it? Is it coming from your parents, or is it Shakir has seen what it is to not have? Let's
I
it's
think
it's just as let's
yeah.
be real.
The one more reason for me to survive in this industry, which people have told me over year and year, and it's not that 1 year or 2 years. It is people have told me in the long run that what makes me apart from other my counterparts is that I'm humble, and I'm not just humble to the people I work with. I'm humble to everyone around, and I think
Everyone,
it comes
everyone.
from yeah. So that humbleness comes to me from I suppose my family. That's what my family values have taught me to stay humble, and
Excellent.
I'm glad I passed on this value to my kids as well,
Yes,
and they
yes,
yes, and they do show that.
yes. It is seen. The reflection is coming generation to generation, and it's just a blessing. Shakir, this is a blessing. आज की तारीख में it's a blessing. Everybody is so matlabi, but you know it's a pleasure to connect to you every time. And you take care like किसी का real father भी नहीं कर सकता है. So it's a real compliment from all of us in the industry to you. Shakir,
Thank
can we
you.
take Janta ka questions for you?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Audience question is one of the model is asked, Shakir sir, can a model become a fashion choreographer? And if yes, so does he need a formal training? And where does this training come happen in Mumbai?
Um, Ashish, love you too, brother. Ashish is live with us.
Yeah,
Okay,
love you,
now,
Ashish.
see, there is no formal training for show direction or choreography as such, number one. And in case if you wish to take this career, it's a very long and a constant tedious process. You need to understand that choreography is not just about asking models to come on stage and go up and down and do the thing. It's requires a lot of other inputs in terms of, I would say, your light designing, your visual designing, your set designing, your communication, your control of the situation,
Excellent.
and ability to make decisions in case of any haphazard thing happens. You should be that strong enough, and it all comes with experience. And if you are a model and if you intend to become a choreographer, there are choreographers in our industry. Most of the choreographers, there have been ex-models earlier. I'm talking about the top-notch people, and working with different people, choreographer, designer, they understand the value and they can input. But as of now, there is no formal education to it. And as I told you, and as I've been repeating, I want to repeat again that it took me 7 years to settle down in this career. Do you have that much time to give to
Time.
settle in any career? That's the reason there are not so many choreographers, because people come 1 year, 2 year, they try, they don't get work and they disappear. But to
True.
be here, you need to give that many years. And giving years doesn't mean that you are there. Giving years means you have to constantly source and create work for yourself. Go meet people, let your work speak for you, and let the and your more you work, the more people will see, and more you'll get the further assignments. So just doing one show and sitting at home and talking about that one show
Yes.
wouldn't help. You need to have an number of data to be shown to the clients, and people have seen your work. That's how it works, and that's how we are. Consistency is very important, and consistency. If you
True.
are planning to take up choreography as a career, keep in mind the dedication, hard work, and you have to enhance yourself, enhance your skills. Like you want to get a choreography, you have to master the skill. Like me, I personally myself, I'm very skilled with music. I'm very skilled
Yeah.
with light designing. Yeah. So this
I'm
is
coming to
my
that.
potential. Yeah, this is my potential. And that is why people prefer to work with me. So when you're working, you can't be just saying I'm a choreographer and that's why I should get all the show.
True.
People should know what is your USP.
I was just coming to that question. That was my personal question to you because whatever experience I've been seeing you from past 20, 25 years in this entire field, right? Shakir,
Yeah.
I your quality, na, you can't say that this is what Shakir gave today. Tomorrow Shakir is doing something. It will always have a new touch. It has a new creative. It has a different music. You sit personally. You have a huge team, but everything that if I see the work from Shakir from day one till today, I can see a lot of variations and a lot of difference in everything. You have never repeated things. I have never seen you. You have never copied anything from anybody. So I want to understand or want the audience to understand who are planning to take up fashion choreography. So first, is it Shakir Sheikh who works on his own creativity, his own personality, developing his own to the audience something great, or is Shakir also having a guru in his life? Do you follow any
Uh,
particular guru, or is it
no,
you only?
no, I'm blessed to that. I don't have any formal training or I worked under anyone. But yes, I am an avid listener. I think this is all my passion which came up. So while growing up, my music was my passion because of dancing. So I always had the sense of music, and it went on.
Thank
So
you.
it's all over the years. I'm one of those guys who believed in collecting hundreds of audio cassettes, because even though, and that time audio cassette used to come with a price. It is not like online easily free available like today's music. So I used to personally be a music listener, and I always was attracted to larger than life shows. So whenever life gave me an opportunity, like when I travel abroad or when I go to any different country, people mostly plan their trip and go for parties or anything. But uh, you know, I have made it a point where whichever city I go, I look at my chart and I plan. If it's not in that city or the around city, I attend musicals, which is larger than life, which is a real inspiration with live music, live sets, live artists. So I'd had the fortune of traveling in my career in a very young age, and my exposure to the global was very quick. So initial days only where I like it just happened to me that I was at the right, as I said, it's the right place, right time, and that interest made me do so much that I have my own music studio. Like most of the other choreographers, they have to go to music people and set up music and fix up. I have my own music
Yeah,
studio.
yeah,
I have my
Shakir.
own team. Yeah, I have my own team who does music because by the grace of God, we were always so occupied that our music team never used to get breaks. So
Amen.
we move from one event to other. And whenever we are not doing shows, that time we utilize in listening music for days and days. So people think we are crazy. We are just sitting in one cabin and we're listening music. But that's how we prepare for the work to come. And that's why every show is different and that's why. So it's a regular work. My work is not like that, that I'm not, like even in this lockdown, I must listen lots of artists. It is not that there's no shows happening now. So I've decided I will not listen to music. I'm well aware. I'm very well versed with the music. I'm very up to date, updated in what is happening in the market. And I
Excellent,
think that's a
excellent.
key one. That is very key for anybody who's wanting to get into this career. You have to be updated and very well versed with everything around you, be it in
What
terms
is
of
happening in the market?
social scenario, political scenario, or music scenario. Everything you have to be aware because it just gets involved with your work and it reflects at your work. So it makes a lot of
Exactly.
sense. So
So all the people who go and watch a fashion show just getting ready, they feel tired, but and you'll come up clapping, but you know what it is to make that feel good for you. So you have heard it from the star's mouth. It is a hard journey. They have to sit in their cabins days and days and work on the music, everything. So that half an hour show makes a long journey for them and it is hard work. So
yes,
really, Shakir, this
it's
is so awesome.
lot of homework, lot of homework
Lot
we
of
do.
lot of homework. We are going to Ajanta's question. Shakir, okay. This guy is asking, Shakir sir has worked with maximum all the brands, India and international. What Shakir sir likes to wear personally?
My personal favorites are the Indian attire, and I love to dress up in Indian clothes. That's my favorite
Very
thing,
nice.
and I'm very yeah. I love being in kurtas. I love being because they're very comfortable at the same time. The feel of ethnicity. In fact, nowadays, even at work, I like to wear Indian kurtas and all. And I've been exploring these possibilities of a lot of good Indian designers and brands. And I had this fortune of traveling. So wherever city I go, I pick up the local hand art or fabric and I started converting them into my wardrobe. So I have an amazing wardrobe when it comes to Indian clothes. And I'm blessed to be in this
Nice.
job where all my designer friends for my Eid and festivals and my birthday, they keep sending me this Indian clothes across. So I also have a lot of designer wears in that way. So yes, that's
And you
my
carry it so well. You
thank
carry it
you.
very well. Shakir, there is again a very personal question, and I want to take it up because this is going to tell the audience that Shakir is also human. He also feels. Okay, so one guy is asking me, uh, ask Shakir, sir, do you feel what is this? Do you feel hurt and broken like them? And
Why?
whenever you feel whenever you feel hurt and broken, who is that one shoulder that you would like to have besides your family that you can cry on?
I think everybody should know that you should definitely have a family in form of your siblings or your mother, and there should not be any reason for you that you cannot speak to your family and you need a shoulder from outside. So if that is the case, first you need to sort out that if you can't speak to your family, uh, somewhere down you're lacking, and everybody gets hurt, everybody gets broken somewhere over the line. Even I have
So
situation,
Shakir
but
also
I have a
gets hurt.
beautiful yeah, I have a beautiful family back home, my kids, so they're my stress busters. Whatever I do, I come back home, I see the smile on the face, and that makes my life easier because that's what it all matters. And I'm blessed to live with my mom and dad, so they smile, and yeah, I think it's all family. And I do have some amazing friends whom I can
Friends,
always yes, who are
count
part
on.
of my family, and we have grown over the, as you know, your sister
And they
is
can
one,
count on you
and
also. And they can count
yes,
on
we've
you
been
also.
through thick and Yeah, so it's always, I think it's a part of human emotion and everybody needs so, but you need to choose wisely. And one more advice to people is if you're hurt or broken, please don't use social media to burst that out.
Yes,
This place
very
is
true.
to socialize and use it in a nice way. And I see a lot of people using the social media platform to burst out their angers and fit. And
I know.
I really don't understand that. I personally don't recommend
Betrayal.
that. Yeah, don't go on social media. This place is lovely. It is to be used
Beautiful.
socially to keep in touch with people and make the right use of it. Don't get your sobbing stories or your pain to the world because you don't need the world to console you with likes and comments. All you need is real
True.
people in life. So speak your problem to
Real
real
people.
people, then
True, true,
putting up
true,
on
true.
this. Yes.
Yeah. We can't take any immediate questions. So sorry, we had already asked you all to give us in questions. This is the last question, Shakir, for you. Somebody has asked,
Yeah.
Shakir sir, do you take shows that are good budget or you want quality shows? What do you look into a show? A good budget or a quality show?
Good budget shows are the quality shows. If you have a good budget, then automatically your quality will come. You cannot say that, I just will take good budget shows or quality. It is both. Quality will have a good quality comes from good budget only. You cannot have a quality show saying ki bhai, like if you're making some dessert at home, you cannot say I want to use cheap ingredients. You want to use the best ingredient and best combination to get the best
Yeah, but Shakir,
flavor. So
nowadays
I
money
think
even the wrong people have, na? So
I don't. I think right or wrong, I don't judge people on that. If you are professional and if you know how to handle your work, you are particular, and that's how it's your. That's how you carry. It's how you carry yourself and how you project your work and how you have been. Nothing can matter to you. People who are here and there, they will not bother. They don't bother to touch us or come close to us because they know that we are very professional and we do our work and we leave. So I think
yes,
ideally, you have to definitely maintain your quality, whether you have a budget, low budget.
excellent. Yes.
Budget should never be the criteria. I have seen people in my industry saying कि इसका बजट इतना ही है तो ऐसा कर लेते हैं. That is should
Mm-hmm.
not be an excuse. That's my instruction to the team also. Whether we
Huh.
take a small show or a big show, the effort and the class should be the same.
Should be the
That's why your
best.
work is
Huh.
different. Yeah. So
Beautiful,
quality.
beautifully spoken, Shakir. What a lovely guidance to everybody who want to be choreographers, take shows. Even if the budget is small, give 100%. Superb. So at least
Yeah.
because your quality should talk. Excellent,
Yeah.
Shakir. There is one. This Janta ka questions are over. Now I want you to ask one question with your experience as a show director. You direct so many shows, brands. I
Oh.
want to understand your all Bollywood, Tollywood, international brands, all the
Yeah.
faces you have, they have worked, and you have God has blessed you working with them. As a director for these shows, have you faced difficult periods? How do you deal with difficult situations when they don't, celebrities sometimes they have their own tantrums. How do you deal with all this to get what you
I
exactly want? I'm
think
sure you have
I
faced all
think no, I think it all happens is how you put up yourself. I think anybody who sees you in a professional environment denies to misbehave with you or put you down in any situation. It's a very simple example. Like when you enter a five-star hotel, you automatically convert yourself into a comfort of the atmosphere and you behave well, you don't speak loud, or you just so is it. And anybody coming to work, when they see my whole setup in a professional way, when my team is ready, we know what they're going to expect and we know what they want. So when we cater and deliver to what they want and we are ready to give them, there's no hassle. By God's grace, I have not faced situations like this where I've been put up by the people or the stuff. But yes, there are some people who come up with their packagings and who are bothering. So once we understand while that from beginning, then we know how to handle them and we put our clause also stronger. So then we
true?
don't to ask us or tell us. We keep everything. So it goes hand in hand. And over the year, we've understood how it works and how it, when we have a star, what are the precautions, what are the security, what are the entries, gates, everything is taken care. Problem happens with celebs or anybody who at a Halo is when they see difficulty, when they are stuck in a situation, when you make them unwanted, then it's a problem. But yes, as I said, photographer is a person that you have to take decisions on behalf on
Mm-hmm.
the uh, on behalf of everyone, whether it's your client or anybody. Like I do shows for designers and all, and the
Yes.
designer is being harassed by the star, and they're telling the star is not coming out. They're still in the room. They're taking time. At that
Yeah.
time, I put up a call to the star team and tell them that we have to start the show immediately. If you're
Hmm.
there, please come. And I think it works. It works. So sometimes we have to take decisions. So you have to be a decision maker more than anything. You have to be a decision maker.
Okay. Shakir, we come to our next question, which is my question. Shakir, your academy is number one. You have been awarded. You have out of the
Yeah.
10 in from the educational, national educational, and it is grand success. How do you feel,
Thank
Shakir?
you.
I mean, this was your
I
dream.
feel,
Your academy is your dream, and it's number one. Your
yeah,
daughter is also
because
number one. So, so beautiful.
for me, getting this academy was a long plan. It took me about 5 years to come in place because there was no formal education training in terms of fashion grooming. People who are training on one-to-one basis, and people are not doing it in educative format. But the format that we
Right.
introduced, that is why we've been awarded. The award comes for the excellence because this is the right way according to the international standard, where we have
Standard. Yes.
certain hours that have to do compulsory in classroom. They have to work on practical. They have to give exams. So everything works like how you would like to. And I'm glad today parents come in with their kids to us and they send their kids to us and they walk in and that we want. And it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling when we have parents walking in. And I remember
True.
earlier when I started my career, girls were scared and they used to tell, "Don't call up at my landline. My family doesn't know I model, or my dad doesn't like I'm modeling, or my brother doesn't like I'm modeling." And today we are in a time where I see the parents are walking with the kids to make them introduced to us. She's my daughter and she wants to start modeling. And I see this as an achievement. That's a kind of trust we are building, and it is a long way to go. So I think this is how
Yeah.
it's
It
going to
has.
work, even in the long
Trust
run.
me, Shakib, this journey has taken a long time to change the mind frame of a lot of our parents. So I'm also happy what you said is right. The parents are accompanying, and we have kid children also coming. So it's a great achievement with your academy. So congratulations from Bharti and
Thank you.
Kahisi team, and so happy to see you here again on this grand success. I wish to ask you one simple question: is since we all are in a lockdown and a lot of models are feeling the fear of not getting work, what is the advice you can give to the models? Are you what is the industry
I,
going to be like once the lockdown opens? As a very senior person.
uh, finally, we have finally we have uh, hi Rupali. Hi. Yeah. Okay, there are some people
Rupali is
messaging.
a
I'm just
sweetheart.
trying to play.
Yeah, but I had asked
Okay,
everybody to
now
inbox the message. Okay.
now what advice I would give is I was in touch with most of the model because I know this space was very depressing. The people who have worked with me or are connected with me, I was constantly in touch with most of them, checking on them because I know this phase got a lot of loneliness to people, and most of the
So
models
much.
who were in Bombay, they were all by themselves. So we were in regular touch to them, calling them, speaking to them, and understanding and giving them hope. And finally, we have a ray of hope today with government. From 20th September, we are allowed to
Yes.
have events with 100
Yes.
people. So I think
Yes.
that's a good sign of happiness, and it's a reason to celebrate. And most of the models I've seen have developed better skills. They have come up with own businesses. They worked on themselves. For me, I never have got so much of time for myself to spend with my family or on myself. But with this lockdown, I was able to spend time for my health, my routine, and I utilized learning different skills. I did some course also, and so did my kids. And I think this is the best time we use is make use of these skills together And after
Yes.
getting the skills together, and yes, it worked wonderful. It just worked wonderful. So anybody who was in this lockdown, I would just advise, don't lose hope, stay home, learn
Yes.
new skills, because whatever you learn is never going to be waste. Knowledge is never a waste.
Exactly.
Knowledge is going to stay with you forever, and you are going to be uh, making the more use of it in the near future. Stay
So
positive,
don't
people.
lose
That's it.
hopes. The market is opening. Okay,
Okay.
somebody wanted to know, is Shakir a foodie? And does he cook?
Yes, I love foodie. I'm a foodie because I travel so much. So, number one, like anybody going with me knows exactly which place to go, what to do. You have also experienced that with me, which restaurants to go, what to eat, and all. Yeah, yeah.
So, do you
So,
cook?
when it
Don't you
comes to
didn't
cook,
cook? Hmm.
yeah, yes, I do cook. I am a pretty decent cook, and I can cook some real authentic biryanis
We have good
and
food at
curries and
Shakir's
all. So
house.
I,
Yeah. So Shakir can cook and he's a very good host and he's a good friend and he keeps the entire team together and he spreads a lot of love. In fact, we have lost a very, very close friend, Raki, which we all, and Shakir was there. He
yes,
kept us at home because it was a lockdown. He took the leadership. Shakir, God bless you from all of us once again. And we are blessed to have you.
thank you.
Shakir, now we go in for a rapid fire, which is supposed to be any object that I show you connect. You know, it could be incident, it could be fun, mischief. I know Shakir, you're full of mischief. People, please, Shakir Sheikh is full of, he's a kid actually. So I want you to tell the people,
Hi,
Shakir, this
Kamna.
is
Kamna is watching from us. So,
how sweet. Kamna, love
oh,
you, miss you a lot. I just commented on a children's today picture. Shakir, this is sugar, raw sugar.
huh.
When you were a kid, did you, crawl down your mummy ko chupa ke sugar nikal ke chaat ke? Have you done all this?
I would,
Have
but I
you
was a
bought
very
sugar and
notorious
had?
kid. And
Huh.
I was
And
very
you had.
notorious kid. That's what I, yeah, चोरी करके खाना तो होता. हाँ, especially in our Ramzan time as kids and also. I never had the patience to for the evening for the roza. So while cooking only as a kid, I used to flick out things
Get
and eat.
into.
So no complaints.
So this is Shakir Sheikh. Okay, Shakir, you have to tell us something very personal. When is the first rose you got from any female? College times. कुछ तो याद करो. हाँ.
College. My college friends are watching, by the way.
Which,
They are on live with us
yeah,
right now.
then they know who has given you this. So I just definitely got this rose. I said, I must ask this to Shakir. Shakir, when did you get this first rose and how was that feeling?
Obviously, it's special, and I'll talk to you on this.
Shakir, I am getting you something more. This is color, hair color. So
Okay.
what does hair
Huh.
color mean to you? I've seen you with all
Haircut.
those ash and gold and all the colors. So
I think once in life you should always experience this, because till the time you have hair, you should experience this. And so, no
Shakir
complaints.
loves
Try colors.
coloring his hair.
Yeah,
Yeah,
color. You should try everything that makes you feel happy. You should not hesitate or block yourself thinking that no, I don't want to. I think
yeah.
that's what life is all about. Enjoy every flavor of life.
Shakir is full of life. By God, people, you all should know him personally. Now, Shakir, I want to ask you some naughty question. This is a toothpaste, and I know, Shakir, you have put this on many people's face when they are asleep. So, can you give us one episode? Toothpaste on the face you have put.
Uh, Not really, yes, but yeah, we did that. We did that off lately only. A couple of years back, we had done with a friend when we were
So,
out on a Lonavala trip there.
so I know Shakir is full of fun and masti, and he himself is a small child. So ये बातें कुछ अनकही सी में शाकिर शेख जो इतना बड़ा star है, he is a child in himself. After the show, you must catch him because he is full of fun and masti. Shakir, there is something that I want you to. This is a room freshener. Do you use it on people whom you don't like when they leave the space?
No. I, I don't think I would do that. If people whom I don't like will not be welcome in my room, so I don't think I need to use that.
Okay, I just exaggerating. Shakir, this I'm sure this is a trimmer, and how much is it important for you because you travel? It's trimmer,
Oh,
trimmer.
this was a blessing right now. This was a
Ah,
blessing right now because in the lockdown, I used this trimmer to do my dad's hair. Then I went and did my neighbor's hair as well because he was a alone guy. I am a neighbor friend and he
lovely.
needed a haircut. Yeah, so I did it for him, and then of course my daughter did it for me. So this trimmer was very very
Oh,
useful.
so sweet. He's a darling. My God. That's all with the uh, accessories that I wanted. I wanted you to, bubble up because I know everybody should know that you have that child in you right now. One more thing that I know this is going to connect you to your baby. I want you to remember the first day when you had this baby cap used for your daughter. It was such a happy moment. When you put
Yeah,
your small baby cap for this is a baby cap. What does it remind
I
you about your
remember.
daughter?
Obviously, the first day, the first time when I saw her, and my daughter is a millennium baby, so it was exact. My New Year began with her. So every year my New Year begins with her
Oh,
birthday.
yes,
So
yes.
I was traveling for a show on 31st, and I was back in Bombay in time for her. And yes, I made it, and I was very happy that So my year started with. I always remember those. Now the girl kids have grown up, but still, I can never forget that.
I
No
just
parents can
wanted
ever
you to
forget.
talk about your daughters. That is why this is what I wanted to mention them
Yeah.
with because I know you have been an excellent father. And now,
Thank you,
Shakir,
Sonia.
I want you to tell the audience as the A personality in the fashion world for India, what is you can as a guide to all the upcoming models. They want to know, is it only pageant industry that they can come up and get work, or is there any more way of getting work? How can they start getting work?
See,
Very
pageantry is
important
not
question for
just.
them.
First and foremost, you need to understand everybody, all those aspiring models, that pageantry is not just only the source to enter fashion industry. It is a source to gain popularity, to learn, get trained, and not all the pageant participants are models. I have seen successful business people and other people who from pageant went on to find the best in them. It's a learning ground, and not everybody is actor or not everybody is going to be a model, but yes, you get that confidence to face the people. You get that confidence, you learn a healthy competition when you're in a pageant, and that sets you apart from other people because you're not the fear of winning and losing during the training, and then if you win you're good, if you don't win you get heartbroken, but you overcome it. And when you look at the experience of a pageant in the long run, it's amazing. I have some amazing pageant participants who went on to become some really really big people in life, but it all
True.
happens with the experience. So if you're looking at entering pageantry is a totally different kind of modeling. So you can't expect a pageant, the walk and the confidence that we teach in pageant would help you to be a fashion model. To be a fashion model, you need that kind of training. That's why we come in place,
True.
or an academy comes in place where we train you to be model. A model can be good
Exactly.
at pageant, but if you're good at pageant, not necessarily you can be good at
To be on a
as a
runway, yeah.
model. Yeah, so it's a whole different ball game together.
True.
Have patience, learn, support, encourage your kids who are young to start the career, because younger they start in this industry, the chances of them to survive success is more because they learn in the growing years fast. And I basically internationally the modeling age is much more younger than compared to India, and by the time Indian models decide to model over there, models have retired from their
Yes.
job. So
Exactly.
yes, yeah. So it
Perfect.
is very
Perfect.
important. It is very important for kids to start young and fresh so they can incorporate. So I have models at my academy who are 16 and 17, and they're brilliant and they're picking up the maximum work, and that's how it works. So it's
Great.
not
Great.
necessary. It's not necessary that you need to wait to be 21 and then finish your studies, and then, because by the time you're 21 and you want to start modeling, then you're already under the pressure of making your uh, ends meet and financial responsibility and all. So it's younger you start, earlier more scope, meet more
True.
and more people, be confident about yourself, and put up with people who put you down. If anybody speaks
Very good.
bad for you
Excellent.
and anybody puts you down or makes you feel less,
Low.
That's what you should not. Yeah, low.
No.
Don't keep away from such people,
Beautiful,
and
beautiful, Shakir.
speak to people and be with people who encourage you and find the good in you. I'm sure
True.
you all have that people around who will always encourage and find your worth. Don't be in a blind world thinking that I'm just diva looking and the world is going to happen to me. You have to find the fact, understand and find, believe in truth. If somebody speaks to you, criticize you, tell you this is your problem, take it in a good stride and work over it. Don't take it
True.
as a negative reflection and depression. It is not a good idea. So please stay positive, and there is always enough work for people in this. There are hundreds of campaigns, hundreds of shows, hundreds of job opportunities. Maybe you're not good on runway, but you're excellent on print. Maybe
True.
you're bad on picture, but you're too good on the runway. So you need to find your space. You need to find where you fit into it and work on yourself. That's what modeling is all about. And you'll always be successful
What,
because there is nothing
what,
critical. No, yeah,
this could come
please.
only from a guru. Whatever you said, it is superb. I think everybody should hear this, and there is a room for everybody to grow. So, one last question, Shakir Sheikh ji, what is that one project in life that you feel that you want to complete, or your dream project? Anything more that is to come? Tell the audience.
No, I'm blessed to be. I'm very happy and content with what God has given me. And dreams are always. If you say that I don't have dream, I would be lying. But dreams are, as a vision, as a person, you always need to dream because if you dream, then only you achieve. I feel, and working towards a dream. And one of my dream was my academy. And yes, in this lockdown, maybe my perspective of dreams have changed for other business and other work around. But yes, to grow bigger and better, and most important to stay the way I am, safe.
Excellent. The most humble person I know, the most encouraging person to build up people, Shakir Sheikh is always available. So thank you, Shakir, for voicing out, guiding the youth of India, talking so much on your personal grounds, sharing your experiences, which is really, really a great motivation for me also. Thank you so much for being on this show. And Bate Kuch Ankai Thi wishes you once again good luck for the best work you're doing for the Indian and international students in the fashion industry. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Jai
Sonia.
Hind.
You have a great stay at home. Take care. Stay safe. Love you.
Stay safe.
Bye
Love
bye.
you, love you. God bless you.